What's happening, guys? Today we're doing something a little different and we're working on the RZR. Let's go. So the plan for today is we're gonna install one of the most important mods on the RZR. The stock 3-point harness deal works great when you're in the garage. It doesn't work so good when you're on the trail. So we're going to rip these out, and we got a set of 4 points, so we're gonna toss in. Let's go. Here's our current issue. The wrench doesn't fit behind there, so we gotta do some weird like bent wrench or like a short chunk of a wrench or something, because there's a bolt behind these retractors that we gotta get at. So, let's see what we can do. We need to pause and go get more tools. We'll be back. All right, we got some options. We gotta reuse the factory hardware, so we gotta pound it out of these things. This might work. This is the seat belt from the driver's side. It's got this little plug on it. And this is what senses when you got your seatbelt buckled in, and then the RZR lets you go over like 15 kilometers an hour. So the most important part of this install is this little bypass plug. So we'll toss that in, and then it won't care if you got your seatbelts done up or not. You will do your seatbelt up, but the new harnesses don't have the little sensor in them, so we gotta bypass it. Alright, we'll throw the seats in before we do up the back belts because they're real long, and we gotta make sure that they're at close to the right length. We're good to go. And there you go. It only took us like an hour or so. And now we're way safer on the trails, and I'm way more comfortable. So we'll see you guys next week.